Welcome to Embracing the Future, an introduction to digital art for collectors, a guide to introduce you to the world of digital art, a dynamic and rapidly evolving realm where technology and creativity converge. I'm Sharon, your AI-generated host brought to you by WheelHouse Art. I will be sharing information with you about WheelHouse Art, digital art, and the benefits of collecting digital art. WheelHouse Art is a fine art gallery located in Louisville, Kentucky. Originally founded as B. Deemer Gallery in 1990, it was renamed WheelHouse Art in 2021 to reflect the expanded art and services it provides. One of the biggest changes made was becoming the first art gallery in Louisville to mint and sell its own collection of digital fine art NFTs in 2022, providing a much-needed outlet for local digital artists to exhibit and sell their art. As an art collector, digital art offers numerous benefits and opportunities that are reshaping how you can appreciate and engage with art. Let's explore why digital art deserves a prominent place in your collection. 1. A growing art medium. Digital art is not just a fleeting trend, it's a burgeoning medium that's becoming deeply integrated into our daily lives. As our world becomes more digitized, digital culture flourishes. Digital art has a history dating back over 70 years, but in the past 20-plus years, artists have increasingly adopted digital tools for their creative processes as the technologies have become increasingly accessible to more people. Whether it's digital photography, image manipulation through software like Photoshop, or utilizing artificial intelligence to generate stunning visuals, the digital realm is transforming artistic expression. As we continue to merge our lifestyles with digital technologies, digital art will play a crucial role in how we share, express, and understand our experiences. 2. Unique opportunities for art experiences. Unlike traditional art that requires external lighting for proper display, digital art offers a different visual experience. The nature of digital displays, which project light from within, brings a vibrant and captivating quality to the artwork. Furthermore, digital art can be animated, providing movement and a richer variety of visual experiences compared to the static images of traditional art mediums. This dynamic aspect allows for more interactive and engaging art presentations. 3. Verified ownership and provenance through blockchain. One of the most revolutionary aspects of digital art is the use of blockchain technology. This innovation allows for verified ownership and built-in provenance for digital art sales. Blockchain ensures that each piece of digital art is uniquely identifiable and securely owned, preventing unauthorized reproductions and providing a clear history of ownership. Prior to blockchain, artists who wanted to sell their work of art in a digital format needed to sell the art tethered to hardware and software specific to that work of art. If they were to sell a JPEG file to a collector, there would be nothing to stop the collector or anyone else with access to that JPEG from copying and selling unlimited and unauthorized copies of the artwork. Selling artwork along with hardware and software adds significant costs for artists and collectors and creates maintenance problems when things become outdated and break. The technological advancement of blockchain adds a layer of trust and authenticity to buying and selling digital artwork online that is invaluable in the art world. 4. Effortless portability. Traditional art requires careful packing and transportation to move from one place to another. Digital art, however, transcends these physical limitations. With an internet connection, your digital art collection is accessible from anywhere in the world. This ease of portability means you can enjoy your favorite pieces regardless of your location, making digital art a highly convenient option for collectors on the go without the risk of damaging fragile art objects. 5. Higher resale value. When selling traditional artwork on the secondary market, collectors typically receive between 50 to 70% of the final sale price. Digital art, however, offers higher resale terms. Marketplaces like OpenSea often enable collectors to retain 90% or more of the sale price when reselling digital works. This significant difference not only enhances the profitability of your investment, but also makes digital art a more financially rewarding choice. 6. Unlimited display potential. Displaying traditional art is often limited by the available physical space in your home or office. With digital art, there are no such constraints. You can grow your digital collection indefinitely. A digital display allows you to change the artwork with a few clicks on your phone or computer. You can even set your display to automatically rotate through curated collections or your entire portfolio, offering endless possibilities for showcasing your art without the need for physical adjustments. 7. Supporting local digital artists. The number of local artists working in digital media is growing every day, adding unique regional flavors to the global digital art scene. By collecting digital art, you support these artists, fostering creativity and innovation within your community. This not only enhances the diversity of your collection, but also contributes to the growth and recognition of local talent. In conclusion, digital art is not only a reflection of our increasingly digital lives, but also an exciting and valuable addition to any art collection. Its dynamic nature, ease of ownership, and financial benefits make it a compelling choice for modern collectors. Embrace the future of art by exploring and investing in the vibrant world of digital art today with WheelHouse Art.